In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a script to a TradingView chart with precise script control. Let's jump straight in. First, we need to open TradingView and load a chart. Head over to your browser and navigate to tradingview.com/chart using the symbol parameter for NASDAQ Apple. Once the page loads, give it a moment for the Apple chart to fully appear on your screen. Take a quick look and make sure the right side toolbar is visible, since that's where we'll be working next. Now let's open the Pine Editor. Over on the right side toolbar, click the option labeled Pine. The Pine Editor will open at the bottom of your chart. Confirm that the editor has appeared and look for the Code Editor area in the middle, along with the Add to Chart button positioned at the top of the Pine Editor. Next, we're going to paste a Pine script into the editor. Start by clicking inside the Code Editor area so your cursor is active there. Then press Ctrl+A, or if you're on a Mac, press Command+A to select all of the starter code that's currently sitting in the editor. Now paste in the simple moving average Pine script that you can see on my screen right now. I'll also drop the same script in the description or the pinned comment below so you can grab it easily and bring it into your own editor without any trouble. Take a moment to confirm that the very first line of the pasted script starts with the version declaration version 6. Lastly, let's add the script to the chart. Move your mouse up to the top of the Pine editor and click the Add to Chart button. Wait a few seconds while TradingView compiles the Pine script in the background. Once compilation finishes, you should see an orange moving average line appear directly on the price chart. Also confirm that the name Demo Moving Average shows up in the chart legend at the top. That's it. The TradingView chart now has the Demo Moving Average Pine script applied to it, and the orange moving average line on the chart confirms the script was added successfully. Congratulations! You've just learned how to add a script to a TradingView chart using precise script control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.